Number 22.
Gi. Agay nakuha. Adto. Woohoo! Yes! Ah! Yes, agay.
Number 11. To
Ah!
number 8.
Woo! Ah!
Yes, there's a reason. Wa nagbawas. Susimangan ang bola.
Uy. Thank you for the extra shot.
Ang sabi ko, inog. Not counted, gawas. According to our referee.
Okay.
Ayaw mo paglalas ka nato referee. Not basket count. Not counted ganun. Gawas sa korte. Oh, ball position, not counted. Not counted, ah. Yes, foul number 1. Basket count 2. Score 36-41. 5.
Favor of? Zipper. Simangan? Favor of Simangan? Okay.
Manalaykwan.
Yes, 1 point.
Upat na laykuan. Dabaw sa mga.
Okay. Uy! Naunsa?
Suuga kayo. Bukid mo. Are.
Adto. Agi.
Nice.
Last touch number 1. Last 2 minutes. Routine, now controlling the ball. Number 1.
Ay, sorry. Wait, let my dad shoot, you people!
Last touch to win the tour. Score 46-42. 4 points lead.
Lugi. Agay.
There is a whistle. Foul number 16.
Lugi.
Legal yun ito. So, wait sa muna.
Number
Oh, that's it.
7.
That's all.
May chance sa patuloy kay 3 points foul. Number 7.
Okay, sure na ni Oy.
Yes,
na
1 point.
Tris na labaw.
Ang oras,
No.
1 minute and 23 seconds.
Go Simangan!
Second throw. No good.
Ano dito?
Last throw.
Sa 3 points man ako.
Oh,
Last
okay.
throw.
3 ka
Ready
buot
for rebound.
Oh man. Dang.
Yes,
Of
1
course
point.
it's a shoot.
Habos na labaw.
Oh no.
Alak ka na.
Come on, Simangan! Kapan ba niya? Agoy na! Uy! Ay, salamat. Ay, nawa. Uman, finish.
Next one.
Yes, that was a steal, bro.
2 points. Pag-iinig mo to. 2 points. Counting.
Go, my bros! Ah! Quack.
There is a whistle. Foul number 22. Free throw.
Brother bros, you can do this, brother bros.
Last 1 minute and 2 seconds. Whisper.
Upat na lang. Okay. So far.
Yes,
Okay.
1 point.
Whew, that was one, right? Oh, man, dang.
Second throw.
Pila ka buhok? 3?
Wala.
Oh.
Ready
Okay,
for
last
rebound.
one. Sa short.
No good.
Agay ka, sayang! Eh,
Balik eh.
There's a whistle. Double foul. Ito.
ito.
Okay. No problem. Kan
Ay
lang
ko.
Where is
Nawa
it?
na. Na-injury.
Nice one,
Mahina
Leo.
yan kay mga tuang mo.
Jury ang atong kusum.
Agay na.
Open! Open! Open!
Open, oy, open!
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 Open shot.
Agay!
Rebound.
Dali! Hoy, open! Ay! Ah! Agoy na, mao na nalagiron. Mao na nalagiron. Agay, wa kuman.
Number 8. Score 48-37. 1 point lead. Winton Bersalisa. Basket count. Count, a basket count. Sumangan. Okay. 50-49 score. Bonus ball.
I'm really worried now. What?
Saan nila ilabaw?
Okay, this is getting
50-49.
stressful.
1 point lead. Sumangan.
1
bonus
point lead
ball.
is not too good.
18 seconds.
Defense! Depensa! Depensa!
Oh, goodness me.
Trupag yun.
Kumanatani. This is
Free throw last.
settle the match for
Bonus
over,
ball.
guys.
At number 11.
Oh no. Okay. Pila ni kabuok zipper. Asa, yes! Wala. Ay! Ay! Aga! Ah! 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 Gas!
Nice one!
Apal.
Ah! Oh! 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 Kisa to.
Garel.
14
Depensa lang,
seconds.
depensa!
Time left.
Oh my goodness. Me while stressing. Bro! Bro! Zipper!
52-49.
Oh, yes!
Sumangan.
Woo!
Sumangan at ka-center. Kay last game na ito ni picture.
Love it! That was fun! That was fun because we won? Was that fun because we won? Yeah!